Hi, this is Kaylee Baker, and this is my presentation on lava lamps. What happened? It started to fizz up and foam. As well, the oil started floating and making bubbles going up. The food coloring mixed in with the oil bubbles. The Alka-Seltzer caused a chemical reaction when it was added in the water and oil. Why did it happen? The molecules of the water does not like to mix with the molecules of the oil, which means water is denser than oil. The Alka-Seltzer tablet reacts with the water to make bubbles of carbon dioxide gas. These bubbles attach themselves to the blobs of colored water and cause them to float to the surface. Here are some facts on the lava lamp. It was invented in 1963 by Edward Craven Walker. The original name of today's lava lamp was Astroglobe and then became known as Lava Light and at last Lava Lamp. No two lava lamps are the same. Most expensive lava lamp ever was $15,000. The largest lava lamp ever made is 4 feet tall and holds gallons of lava formula. The lava lamp made its first TV appearance in 1960s. Here is a site and YouTube video on the lava lamp that I thought would be cool. And then I'm going to show what it looked like when I first made it. I'm going to add a couple more drops of food dye. And then I'm going to add the Alka-Seltzer. That was my presentation.